Welcome back, students. So today we're going to discuss the concept of trains as well as boats and streams. So let's start. So now this concept is based on trains. A train traveling at a constant rate of 80 km per hour enters a tunnel 7 km long at previously 5:12 a.m. At 5:18 a.m., the end of the train exits the tunnel. The length of the train in kilometers. If a train crossing a tunnel, train had a speed, tunnel does not had a speed. So I take the speed is equal to L by T or D by T. Okay, here distance no needed, we take length. Okay, so train had a speed, tunnel does not have speed, so leave it. Train had length, tunnel also had length. So let's take L1, L2. Always you need to put plus here. Okay, and over T. This is what the exact formula. So now speed of the train is 80 kilometer per hour, and the length of the train we don't know, we need to find, and length of the tunnel is given, that is 7, and it was crossing in 6 minutes. 6 minutes means I need to convert this into hour, because all the questions, everything is given in kilometer and kilometer per hour. Okay, right. So now we're going to solve this. 80 into 6 over 60 is equal to L plus 7, correct? So 10, just cancel this. So 8 minus 7, L is equal to 1. So 1 kilometer is the right answer. Next question. A goods carriage of length 2 kilometer headed to Srinagar from Punjab was running at the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. So 30 kilometer per hour, it crosses a tunnel 58 kilometer. Tunnel is 58 kilometer and 2 kilometer length. So 2 kilometer and tunnel is 58 kilometer. Oh my god. Anyway, right, over, we going to find the time, how much time it's going to take. Okay, 58 plus 2 is 60. 30 is equal to 60 over T. So T is equal to 60 over 30 and 2 times. So it takes 2 hours to cross. Simple. Let's move to the next question. A 330-meter long train passes a pole in 6 seconds. How long will it take to cross a railway platform? 165 meters. So here, these questions are made up of meters and minutes. Okay, so not meters and seconds. So look at this. A train going to cross a pole as well as a platform. Now a train going to cross two things. One is pole and another one is platform. So be careful. If a train crosses two objects, write both the formulas. If a train crosses a pole, train had a speed, pole does not have a speed. Train had a length, pole does not have a length over T. But if a train crosses a platform, train had a speed, platform does not have speed. Train had length, platform also had length. Okay, so let's take L1 and L2 over T. Okay, now what are all the details or data given out of this question? We need to look at that first. Then only we come to decide which method we can use. Here, look at this. 330-meter long. That means length of the train is given. Crosses in 6 seconds. This is also given. And platform length is also given. We need to find how much time it takes. Look at this. We got both the data. So we can find yes. If we had only one data, we need to equate both the formulas. But here no needed. First complete this formula, you will get speed. Using the speed, you can find the platform length. Okay, sorry, time. Right. So S is equal to what is length? Length of the train is 330-meter long over 6 seconds. So it will be 55 meter per second, because this is meter and this is second, so my output also in meter per second. Now let's take this. Speed is 55 meter per second, that's equal to length of the train is 330 meters plus length of the platform is 165 over the time. Okay, just solve this. 165 and 330, so 5, 6 plus 3 9, 4. So 495. 495 T is equal to 495 over 55, right? So in 49, 9 times 45, then 45 9 times, here it was 11 times. So if you cancel this, it is also 11 times. So 11 seconds was needed for complete this. Okay, right. Next question. Fast. How long does the train 110 meters long, running at the speed of 72 kilometer per hour, take to cross a bridge? So now a train going to cross a bridge. Write a formula for this first. Train had a speed, bridge does not have speed. Train had length, bridge also had length. So L1 plus L2 over T. This is what the formula. Now plug in all the values. So speed of the train is 72 kilometer per hour. Always write 5 by 18 here because everything is given in meters and seconds. So I need to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. If you doesn't get the answer, first check conversion is correct or not. Always. Okay. And next one. 110 meter long train and 132 meter bridge. Over how much time was taken. Okay. So just add this 110 132, that is 242 242, right? So T is equal to 18 by 5 into 72. Okay, so it comes to top. So first cancel this and take this 242 that side. Okay, otherwise you can write directly into 242. Okay, solve this, you will get the answer 12.1. Clear? Right, next question. Just I will help you to how to write the equation. So solving is your intention. So you need to complete that faster. Then only you can able to improve your speed. Right. Two trains, 130 meter and 110 meter long, are going in a same direction. The faster train takes 1 minute to pass the other completely. If they are moving in opposite direction, first time it was going in same direction, next time it was going in opposite direction. Same direction means S1 minus S2. Look at these two trains. So both the trains have speed, correct? Both the trains had length, L1 plus L2 over T. Okay, two trains are traveling in opposite direction means you need to add. That's it. This is what the simple formula we need to remember. Okay, so now I'm going to plot the values for this. Okay, right. What is L1 130 plus 110 over what is the time taken? 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. Here L1 is 130 plus 110 over 3 seconds. Right? So solve this. 240. 240 over 60. 6 4 times 24. And here 240 over 3. So it will be 80. Correct? So now look at this, guys. S1 minus S2 is equal to 4. S1 plus S2 is equal to 80. Now I can solve this, right? How easy it was. So just cancel S2, okay, and 2S1 is equal to 84. S1 is equal to 84 by 2, that is 42, right? So if S1 is 42, then S2 will be 38. Option B is the right answer. That's it. Next question. Two trains of equal length, okay, are running in parallel tracks of same direction. So what is the formula here? Two trains S1, S2, same direction means subtraction, right? So L1 plus L2, but here both are equal length, so both are L. So I can write this as 2L over T. That's it. Okay, so two trains speed was 46 minus 36 is equal to 2 into L over how much time? 36 seconds. Okay, right. So it was 10 kilometer per hour. So I need to write 5 by 18 here. Okay, this 36 come this side, equal to 2L. Just simplify this, you will get the right one. 18 and 36 two times, correct? And then 10, 50, 100, 100 over 2 is the L value. That is nothing but 50. 50 meter is the L. Length of each train is 10, 50, 50 meters. Next question. Two trains for Palwal leave Kanpur at 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Look at this. One starts from 10 a.m. Another one starts from 10:30 a.m. Okay, and one speed is 60 kilometer per hour, other train speed is 75 kilometer per hour. Exactly, this is not a train's problem, this is time, speed and distance problem. Anyway, now we know everything, right? So just do it. And after how many kilometers from Kanpur will the two trains be together? So here, guys, the thing is, one is 10 and another one is 10:30. This is the clue. Okay, so what is the difference between two trains? That is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the clue given here. When two times, exact time was given, you need to add or subtract. That's what we need to do in the problems. So from that, we need to check whether this 30 minutes is sum of the two or difference of the two. Actually, this was difference of two. First train was started at 10 and next train was started at 10:30. So always take time formula. If it was only one is given and time is given, take time formula. Okay, time is equal to distance by speed. This is what the formula. But here we're going to take length. That's what train's problem concept. Okay, L by time is equal to L by S. Correct? Okay, but sorry, we take kilometer itself, distance, because this is not train's problem, this is time, speed and distance problem. Okay, but this time was difference between the train 1 and train 2. Look at this. I once again clearly explained, this 30 minutes was difference between time 1 of the train and time 2 of the train. Time 1 means time taken by train 1, T2 is time taken by T2. The difference between these two is 30 minutes. Correct? So now substitute the formula. T is equal to D by S. Okay. So this 30 minutes is equal to, what is the distance? Distance we don't know, right? But speed I know that it was 60 kilometer per hour. Minus D over 75. That's it. So look at this. We're going to solve this. 30 is equal to 75D minus 60D over 60 into 75. Don't find answer now itself. Don't calculate anything. Just rewrite everything until it is favor for you. Okay. Now look at this. 30 is nothing but 30 minutes. So here itself you need to write 30 divided by 60. Convert into hours. Otherwise you will never get the answer. The conversion is most important. Always be cautious in that. Okay. So this is nothing but 1 by 2. That's equal to 15D over 60 into 75. So now I'm going to write like this. 60 into 75 over 2, okay, into 15 is equal to D. Now look at this. It is easy for us, right? 15 and 75 5 times. 2 and 60 is 30. 30 into 5 is what? 150 kilometer is the distance. That's it. Simple. I hope you guys understand this question. Most important one. Next one. A man sitting in a train. So look at this. This is a train. A man is sitting in the train. Okay. Now opposite direction there is a goods train. Okay. There is a goods train. A man is sitting in one train and opposite direction there is a goods train. Okay. Now this man is judging that it takes 9 seconds to cross. Okay. Now you are the person who are sitting inside the train. Now my simple question is, if you are sitting inside the train, how can you calculate the seconds? You can calculate the opposite train crosses you or your whole train. This 9 seconds is that goods train crosses you takes 9 seconds, or the goods train crosses your whole train in 9 seconds. For the whole train it takes 9 seconds, or only it crosses you in 9 seconds. This is what the question. Here there is a trap. That is nothing but, if you are inside the train, you can able to take only how much time it takes to cross you, not your train. Because I don't know where is the engine and where is the god. Okay, I can able to check only how much time it takes to cross me, not my whole train. If the same person stands in out of the box, if he stands in the platform, he know, he can able to see both the trains, so he can able to calculate the whole time, how much time takes to cross both the trains. But here that is not possible. Okay, so don't take this as a train. Instead of that, a person going to cross this train. So this is what the actual concept. Okay, I hope you guys understand this concept. So a person going to cross a train. Okay, that person had a speed, the train also had speed, so both are in opposite direction. Goods train had length, but that person does not have length. Okay, if it crosses a train means okay, but the calculation is only for that boy and the train, so you no need to write the length of the another train. Only goods train length is L over T. Okay, so S1, the person speed is 50 and goods train speed I don't know, right? And length of the train is what? 187.5 over how much seconds? 9 seconds. And don't forget to write into 5 by 18. Oh, sorry. I need to find the speed, right? So write 18 by 5 in this side. Convert this meter and seconds into kilometer per hour, because my answers are in kilometer per hour. Clear? Solve this. You will get the answer. Okay, I hope it was 25. Okay, just solve this and get the answer. Let I also check whether it is 25 or not. It's some. Yes. You guys also need to get this answer. Okay, this is the final equation. Right, 9, 18, 5, everything is easy. Right, next one. Two trains are moving in opposite direction at speeds. Two trains are in opposite direction. How to write the equation? See, two trains are in opposite direction means S1 plus S2. Okay, right, their lengths are given. So L1 plus L2 over T. This is what the formula. Just plot the values in this. S1 is 60 plus 90 is equal to, what is the L1? Length is 1.10 plus 0.9 over the time taken. That's what we need to find. And both this 1.10 and 9.9 is kilometer. Okay, so we need to convert everything into kilometer per hour to meter per second. 60 plus 90 is what? 150. Okay, into 5 by 18 is equal to, this is 2, but 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, correct? So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meters over T. So just solve this, you will get the right answer. 48 is the right answer. Okay, next question. A train passes an electric pole. What is the formula for electric pole? Speed is equal to L over T. Right, what is the speed here? 10 seconds and a platform. Oh, sorry. A train going to pass an electric pole and a platform. Two objects. So we going to write both the formula. Already I told you, right? For an electric pole, what is the formula? S is equal to L by T. For a platform, what is the formula for this? Yes, train had speed, platform does not have speed. Train had length, platform also had length over T. Okay, just find out what are all the data given for these units. First, electric pole in 10 seconds. This is given. Platform 120 meter and 18 seconds. Look at this. In both the formula, they not given the speed and train length. Okay, two variables I don't know. If one variable I don't know means that is easy for us. Two variables don't know means leave the left hand side, take both the right hand side and equate it. How to equate it? Look at this. L over T is equal to L1 plus L2. Here both L is train speed over T. So equate this and find the L value and substitute in any one of the formula. You will get the speed. That's what I'm going to do here. Okay. So length we don't know, but time takes 10 seconds to cross the pole. And other hand, length plus what is L2? L2 is 120 meter over 18 seconds. Correct? So just find out the L value. 10 and 18. 5 and here it will be 9. Just cross multiply 9L is equal to 5L plus 5 into 120. 5 times 120 is what? 600. Right? So 4L is equal to 600. Then L is equal to 150. 150 meters. Actual question was only finding the length of the train. We got it. If they want the speed of the train, this 120 I need to substitute here and find out the speed. I hope you guys clear in this concept. Let's move to the next question. A 270-meter long train running at the speed of 120 km per hour passes another train. Okay, both are train crosses each other. So how to write this? 270. Okay, train S1 crosses another train. Okay, so it was plus S1 plus S2 is equal to L1 plus L2 over T. Just write down the numbers. Do it faster because now you got everything correct. So S1 speed is given 80 km per hour. Another one train speed is 120. 120 plus 80 into 5 over 18 is equal to what is the length of the train? 270 meters. And another one I need to find L2 over 9 seconds. Correct. So this is the equation. Just find out the L2, you will get the answer. What is the question? 11th question. So for 11th question, 230 meters is the right answer. I want you guys should get it. Okay. Right. And next question. A train 110 meters long travels 60 km per hour. How much time does it take to pass a man walking? So man was walking. Walking means man had a speed, right? So a train had a speed and that man also had speed. Both are walking 6 km per hour against the train. So it was plus. Okay, that's equal to L1. That person does not have length. So you no need to take L2 over T. So speed of the train is 60 km per hour and man 6 times 5 by 18 is equal to length of the train is 110 meter over T. That's it. So 66 into 5 over 18 is equal to 110 divided by T. Okay, 66, 11 tables, 6 times and 11, 10 times, correct? And 5 and 10, 2 times, 6 and 2, 3 times, 18 and 6, 18 and 3, 6 times. Okay, so time is equal to 6 seconds. That's it. Clear? So up to this, trains problem is over. Let's move to the boats and streams problem. Okay, right. So Vikas can row a certain distance downstream. So I want to tell you one thing. We had 4 formulas. Okay, downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, stream speed. If you want to find the downstream speed, you need to take these 2 things, BS plus SS. Okay, if you want to find upstream speed, you need to subtract BS minus SS. If you want to find BS, you need to take these 2 units, DS plus US, and for SS, DS plus US over 2. Okay, for SS, DS minus US. Oh my God. DS minus US over 2. Clear? This is the 4 formulas. The explanation of the 4 formulas already I had given in some videos, so you can check those things too. Okay, directly we can move to the concept. Vikas can row a certain distance downstream in 6 hours and return the same distance in 9 hours. This is not basic formula. This is not basic question. This is little bit advanced question. We need to check. Always write this first. Downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, stream speed. Everything is speed. Okay. Right. Now, what is given if the stream flows at 3 kilometer per hour? This is the only speed given. That is stream flows. So stream speed is 3 kilometer per hour. But I don't know other speeds. But they gave a clue. These 6 and 9 is nothing but hours, time. Okay, but I need speed. Speed is equal to distance by time, right? So I got time, but I need speed. So write like this: distance over 6. Okay, right. And here I don't know the distance over 9 hours. That distance was crossed in 9 hours. So he traveled a certain distance in upstream. It takes 9 hours. Downstream it takes 6 hours. Okay, if you're climbing a hill it takes more time. If you come back you take less time. So that is why the time is differed here. Okay, right. Out of this I'm going to find the answer. Take SS formula. SS formula is SS is equal to ds minus us over 2. Okay, SS is 3. That's equal to ds is d by 6 minus d by 9 over 2. So take this 2 this side. 6 is equal to 9d minus 6d over 9 times 6 is nothing but 54. So 54 times 6 is equal to 3d. Okay, let's write this 3. It's not erasing. Okay, 54 into 6, 3 is equal to d. Just cancel this. 1 times and remaining 2 times 8. Okay, 8 into 16 is what? 108. 108 kilometer is the distance. You got the distance, but what is the question? Find the speed of the Vikas in still water. What is mean by still water? The water doesn't move is called still water. So if water doesn't move, then which one is moved there? Boat. Then we're going to find the speed of the boat. That's what he are telling, that speed of Vikas in still water. Stationary water, which one is flows? Boat. So we're going to find the boat speed. What is the formula for boat speed? Bs is equal to ds plus us divided by 2. So just take this. We're going to find these two. So instead of d, I will write 108. Now I got d, right? So what is ds and us? 108 over 6 is nothing but 108 divided by 6. 10, 1 times 48, 8 times. And for this it is 12 times. Okay, now so bs is equal to ds is 18 and us is 12 over 2. What is the value? 30 divided by 2, that is 15. I hope you guys got that. If you're not getting it, see once again this video slowly. Okay, you will get the answer. Correct? Next question. A motorboat takes 12 hours to go to downstream and it takes 24 hours to return the same distance. Find the ratio of the speed of boat in still water. So look at this. Ratio speed of the boat and speed of the stream. That's what they given. Okay, the given ratio is time ratio. Time ratio is 12 is to 24. That is nothing but 1 is to 2. This is time. But I need speed. Correct? Speed is what? Downstream speed, upstream speed. I want speed. Okay. So look at this. We have downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, stream speed. So speed is 2 is to 1 because t is equal to 1 by s. Correct? Inversely proportional. So it will be 2 is to 1. So I got 2x and us is 1x. But they needed speed of the boat and the ratio for speed of the stream. So what is the formula for these two? Look at this, ds plus us over 2. For ss, ds minus us over 2. So 2x plus 1x over 2, and another one is 2x minus 1x over 2. So 2 getting cancelled, 1 is 3 and another one is 1. 3:1 is the right answer. Got it? Next question. Right. A boat travels upstream from B to A and downstream from A to B in 3 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 9 km per hour and the speed of the current is 3 km per hour distance. Okay, same concept, guys. Look at this. First, you need to write downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, and stream speed. Okay, which one is given? 3 hours is a common thing. A person starts from this upstream and come back in 3 hours. So time is common. Okay, speed of the boat in still water is 9. So I will write 9 here. And the speed of the current is 3. Okay, now using these two units, I'm going to find ds and us. What is that? 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 minus 3 is 6. Right? Look at this. Time is a common time. This 3 hours is from A to B and B to A. Okay, the time from A to B and the time from B to A. The whole time is 3 hours. The same concept we are using in trains also. Again, okay, so 3 hours is equal to, what is the formula for T? T equal to distance by speed. But if first you are went with downstream, means come back with the opposite speed, upstream. If you are going in upstream, return will be downstream. Okay, so this 3 hours, first time is distance is not given, but speed is 12. Then the return journey, same distance in upstream, 6. So just solve this, you will get the answer. So 3 is equal to 6d. Let's take not like that. 12 is the LCM, correct? So d plus 2d, that's it. So 12 times 3 is equal to 3d. 12 times 3 by 3 is equal to d. Answer will be 12 km. That's it. Next question. If time is given common, take time formula. That is the concept. A man can row a boat downstream at 12 km per hour and upstream 8 km per hour. This is a simple question, guys. This is the actual first model. Okay, downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, stream speed. What is downstream speed? 12 km per hour. What is upstream speed? 8 km per hour. Find the speed of the boat at the man can row in still water. So they want boat speed. What is the formula for boat speed? Bs is equal to ds plus us over 2. So that is nothing but 12 plus 8 over 2. So 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. That's what the correct answer. Okay. Right. Look at this. This is the big question I need to solve by very slow method. Okay, please listen carefully for this. In a stream running 2 km per hour. So first I am going to write downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, and stream speed. 2 km per hour is what? It was a stream speed. So that is 2. Okay. Nothing is given. The remaining thing is a motorboat goes 6 kilometers. 6 km means that is distance. 6 km upstream means the comeback, return journey also 6 km. Correct? Okay, that was happened in 33 minutes. But upstream and downstream, you can't able to split into half and half because both the time will be different. Right? Find the speed of the motorboat. As usual, if time is given common, so take time formula. Time is equal to T1 plus T2, common time. Okay, so time is equal to distance by upstream speed plus distance by downstream speed. That's it. But here, upstream speed and downstream speed was not given. So if it is not given, just take like this. If only one value is given, take another value x. If I got x, I can find ds and us, right? So ds is nothing but x plus 2. us is nothing but x minus 2. Okay, from this we're going to solve everything. One thing I want to tell you guys, if bs is given and ss is x, means your answer will be perfect single answer for x. But bs is not given, ss is given in the question, means your answer will be in quadratic equation. You got x in two ways, two answers, so take the positive answer. So initially itself I'll tell that. Okay, right, so now we're going to solve this in this equation. Look at this. First, let's write time is 33 minutes. So I'm going to convert 33 over 60, right? What is distance? 6 kilometer. Okay, us speed is x minus 2, right? And plus next one, same 6 kilometer traveled by x plus 2 speed. So this is what the concept you're going to solve this. Okay, right, next step. 33, I can write this as 11 by 30, that is equal to 6 into x plus 2 plus 6 times x minus 2 over x minus 2 into x plus 2. So what is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, right? So just write x square minus 2 square. Okay, right, next step. 11 over 30, that is equal to 6x plus 6 2 times 12 plus 6x 6 minus 6 2 times 12 over x square minus 4 square. This is what I'm telling you, that if bs is not given, you got quadratic equation. Okay, because now which one going to cancel? Look at this, variable will be stayed safe. I'm going to cancel only plus 12 and minus 12. If s2 is x and bs is given, means x will be cancelled. That's what the concept. Okay, right. Anyway, 11 over 30, 6x plus 6x is 12x over x square minus 4, not 4 square, it was only 4, right? So 11 times x square minus 4, here 30 into 12x, correct? So now itself you guys can understand one thing, how our answer will be, because 12 3 times 360x, correct? Okay, here 11x square minus 11 4 times is 44 equal to 360x. Listen guys, 12, yes, 3 times 30, stay half. Oh, sorry, I just now only come to know 30 is, this is 11 times and 3 table will be 20, not 30, 20. So here also I need to write 20 and just write 20 here. So 12 2 times 240. See, now itself you can come to understand that our answer will be multiple of 11. See, 11 and 44, correct? If you can able to judge, you can get the answer. Otherwise, let's complete this. Very simple. 11, look at this, how I am writing this equation. Everyone please try this. 11 x square minus 44, no, don't write 44x, minus 240x, 240x minus 44, ax square minus bx minus constant, that's what the concept, right, equal to 0. So this is what the final thing. Now I need to find the answer. Okay, so 44 into 11, 484 minus negative, and it should be negative 240. So which number, the both x I need to get. Okay, so just take, if you want the exact answer, I'm telling one thing, 240 484. So just write 2 times what, 2 into 242 is equal to 484. Okay, if I write here minus 242 and positive 2, I will get these answers. Okay, so minus 242 over 11 and 2 by 11. Okay, if you need to change the symbol also, so positive value is 242 by 11, that is nothing but 22 kilometer per hour. I hope you guys understand this, but slowly rewrite this once again, you will get the answer. Okay, right, next question. A man can row 6 kilometer per hour in still water. The speed of the stream is given. It takes 3 hours. Same thing. Common time. Time is equal to time 1 plus time 2. Row to a place and come back. Correct? So, time is 3 hours. Distance is given. No, that was we need to find. Distance by speed is given. See, downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, stream speed. 6 kilometer per hour in still water and 2 kilometers per hour in stream. So find 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 minus 2 is 4. So one is 8 speed and another one is d by 4. Okay, just solve this. 3 is equal to LCM is 8. Okay, so d plus 2d. So our answer will be 8 3 times 24, that is equal to 3d. So d is equal to 8. That's what right answer. Clear? Right. The next question. Speed of boat in standing water. Okay, so let's write downstream speed, upstream speed, boat speed, and stream speed. Okay, so speed of boat in standing water is 9 kilometer per hour. Standing water, yes, 9 should be here and 1.5 here. A man rows a place at a distance of 105 kilometer and comes back. So distance was given. Okay, total time taken. So find this 9 plus 15, 24, and 15 minus 9, 6. Okay, right. I'm going to find the time taken. Time equal to distance by speed. So distance is given 105. Okay, over 24. Same distance he was traveling by 105 over 6. Right, just find out the answer. 24 is the LCM. So 1 times 105, 6, 4 times 24 plus 105 into 4 times. So 420. 420. So 420 plus 105, 525. 25 divided by 24. Okay. 525 divided by 24. So what will be the answer? Just check. .8. Where I did the mistake? 9, 24, 6, 105 kilometer distance. A man rode to a place at a distance of 105 and come back. So distance by speed is 24 and upstream is 6. 24 into 105 and 6, 4 times. Okay, so 525. .21 something, so approximately we can take 20 hours. That's what the final 21 something only the answer. Okay, okay, I think I missed one question. This is what the question, just complete this. A boat goes 24 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 6 hours. It goes 30 km upstream and 21 km downstream in 6 hours and 30 minutes. So two equations are given. Okay, and one more thing, downstream, upstream, boat speed and stream speed. Correct? Okay, let take here in this question nothing is given. ds, us, bs, ss, nothing is given. So I'm going to do one thing. Let take this is x and this is y. Then ds will be x plus y and us will be x minus y. Let's solve this. Okay, look at this. uh, 24 kilometer upstream, 28 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. So time is common, right? In 6 hours, what was happening there? Mm, can I write like this? 24. Okay, this is distance. Time is equal to distance by speed. So distance in x plus y. Okay, and plus 28 kilometer downstream with downstream, sorry, upstream is x minus y. X minus y, here x plus y. Overall time is 6 hours. Okay, let's take this as one. And second one, look at this. 30 kilometers as x minus y upstream speed plus 21 kilometer downstream. 21 kilometer downstream, that is x plus y, that is equal to 6.5 hours. So take this as first equation and this is the second equation. Okay, now uh, we're going to solve this 10x. Let's take one thing. 1 by, see, there is no other way. We need to solve a bigger equation. So let's take x 1 by x minus y, that is equal to u. Okay, and 1 by x plus y, that is equal to v. So instead of this, I'm going to write u and v. Okay, look at this. 24 u plus 28 v is equal to 6 hours. And same 30 u plus 21 v is equal to 6.5 hours. Correct? 6.5, or you can take uh, 30 by 2. No, you can take 6.5 itself. That's good. 13 by 2 or 6.5. Okay, anyway. This is one equation, that is another equation. Now we're going to solve. Okay, by cross multiplication. Look at this. I will slightly write this u over, okay, 28 u over 28 into 6.5. Okay, minus 21 into minus 6. Correct? And other side, minus v over 24 into 6.5. Okay, minus 30x minus 6. Okay, just cross multiply both. Okay, if you cross multiply this, what answer you will get? I directly write the answer. Please slowly cross multiply it. Okay, you can get 1 by 6 and v you can get 1 by 14. Okay, now just substitute these equations and you will get the answer. U is equal to 1 over x minus y, that is equal to 1 by 6. And other hand, v is equal to 1 by 14, that is equal to 1 by x plus y. Okay, so I got the two equations. Now just cancel these values. I will change the color. Okay, x minus y is equal to 6, x plus y is equal to 14. Correct? So if you cancel this, you will get 2x, that's equal to 20. So x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, and another one will be y is equal to 4. Okay, so now I got x is equal to 10, y is equal to 4. 10 plus 4 is 14 and 10 minus 4 is 6. I got all the answers. What is the want? The speed of the boat in still water, that is 10. 10 km per hour is the right answer. The only thing is you need to solve these equation. Okay, just solve it, you will get the answer. So I hope you guys understand all these 20 questions in trains and boats and streams, I meet you with the next topic. All the very best. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.